Railroad tracks. Ocean rocks. Ocean, open ocean. Horizon. Horizon. In the horizon here. Bloop. Bloop. As far as you can see, these are drilling rig platforms. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just in this area. What they're doing, they got a ship in between that 7. Obviously, now I see the 8th one in the horizon. There's 7 in a row, and then there's the 8th one that's farther off to the other side. There's a big ship. You can't see it here on the little screen, possibly on the big screen maybe. Going to the 1 out of 3 there. This is off the coast of Santa Barbara.